What is a database? A database is a collection of unknown figures known as data. Databases are usually organized and unorganized data. They contain rows, which are also known as records, and columns, also called fields. Companies, both large and small, rely heavily on databases to power their applications and help make decisions. Databases store large amounts of data, such as user IDs, usernames, email addresses, healthcare data, product information, sales data, and so on. Hey, if you're interested in your career growth in data science, make sure to subscribe to this channel. What is a relational database? A relational database is a type of database that stores related data. These tables have relationships organized into tables, for example, user ID, username, age, etc. We have several types of databases. 1. Relational database. 2. Non-relational database. 3. Object-oriented database. 4. NoSQL database. What is a database management system? DBMS. A database management system, or DBMS, are applications that enhance management of data to enable user interaction. Some examples of database management systems include Microsoft SQL Server, 2. MySQL, 3. Oracle, 4. DBase, 5. FoxPro, 6. PostgreSQL. What is a relational database management system? RDBMS. An RDBMS, or relational database management system, store data into a collection of tables related by common fields between the columns of the table. These RDBMS provides manipulation of data stored in the tables. Over to differences between DBMS and RDBMS. DBMS 1 contains tables with no relationship. 2. Data is stored in files. 3. DBMS supports single user. 4. Stored files are treated internally. 5. DBMS do not support table normalization. And for RDBMS 1, RDBMS contain tables with related data. Data is stored in form of tables with columns that have primary key. 3. RDBMS supports multi-users. 4. Stored tables are treated internally. 5. RDBMS aids recovery of database in times of data loss. In general, databases are needed to store, query, sort, implement, and improve data trends, either for planning, forecasting, outcomes, and so on. In addition, databases are needed to solve problems. These problems could be in the form of integrating multiple data sources and data referencing. Please follow and like us on all social media platforms, and make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more knowledge on data science.